September 8th at 7:30 in the morning. And I'm headed out in the truck to go to the mechanic to see if he can figure out what this oil leak is. Trouble is with these fires between here in California and here is Redmond, Oregon. I'm at my mother-in-law's house. I'm not so sure I'm going to be able to get back home. So I'm going to keep a close eye on the news and we'll see what happens. So let's get over to the mechanic. Okay, so I made it here. Missed it the first time around. Sun's really bad. It says he doesn't open till 8, but I do see lights on in there, and there is a vehicle out front. So I'm going to see if he's willing to take me in right now. We'll see what happens. He's going to look at it right now. Yay! They had me down for a motorhome, but I think that's because I told them I was traveling in an RV, so they thought they were looking at a motorhome. It was about 4 miles to get over here, and I'm looking at the ground under the truck and I don't see any spots at all, oil. So we'll see. Oh, I gotta tell him about what my neighbor Larry told me to look for first. Hold on. Excuse me? My neighbor Larry said that his truck did the same thing, and it was a oil pressure sending unit, because his was porcelain and it cracked, and it did basically, from the pictures that I showed him, the same thing. Do you want to see the pictures? Okay, thanks. I have no clue what I'm talking about. I'm just repeating what Larry told me. Look at this helmet. Pretty cool. Uh-oh, I heard him say, holy criminy. Said something about replacing a line or something because it's leaking down onto some fittings. I don't know what he's talking about, but of course he didn't mention a price. He's walking around with a clipboard now. You'll see. There's your sign. Ambulance, fire rescue, bye. That siren went off and that scared me out of my wits. Okay, let's see what he says. He's taking down information off of the truck. Let's see. I don't think my battery is going to last though, so I'll be back. Okay, so I left Earps, and what the guy said was I'll have to add it in there because I can't remember what he said. But anyway, long story short, they charged me about $50 just to look at it, which was reasonable. And I need to have some kind of an oil line sender or something replaced. Would have cost me about $400, $500 to do it here. He said that as long as I keep checking the oil and the transmission fluid, because there's also not transmission, I'm sorry, the oil and the radiator fluid, I could go home to California, but I need to really keep a close eye on those two fluids